In this video, we are going to see how to append queries using the Power Query. So the first thing, because we are using Excel, would be to launch the Power Query. So to launch the Power Query, we're going to go to Data, and then launch Power Query Editor. So in this case, we've been able to launch the Power Query Editor. And the first thing after launching the Power Query Editor is to import the data. To import the data in this using this interface, we are going to go to New Source. And then now we're importing the first data set by the name student loan complaints, that is in the form of Excel. So we're going to click on Excel. And then I have to browse up to the folder where I have the file. This is where I put the file. So after the navigator launches, then you can select multiple items, and then you check student loan complaints. Of course, you're going to have the preview of the student loan complaints here, and then click OK. This is the data set that we're talking about, student loan complaints. You can try to scroll just to see the columns. So we want to import another data set, and the data set that we want to import is going by the name credit card complaints. All of these two data sets are the same columns. So we want to join these two data sets into one using the append query feature. So let us load the second data set. The second data set is going by the name credit card complaints. It is in form of CSV. So for those who will be using the recorded version of this video, I'll be able to provide links so that you can download the data set. So we go to credit card complaints, import. And then OK. So we got two data sets now. We want to merge these two data sets into one using the append query. So let us go to append query, which is found on the Home tab. Then append queries as new. We have to select the number of tables that we're going to concatenate. So we are concatenating two tables. The first one is the credit card complaints, and the second one is the student loan complaints. So I click OK. I have another query here called append one. I would like to rename that query all complaints. So if you look at all complaints query, it is going to contain one big table that was a result of combining or concatenating the student loan complaints and credit card complaints by row. I can right click on the student loan complaint, and after right clicking that, so if you want to use the all complaints, I've misspelled something here. Yeah. If you want to use the all complaints dataset for modeling, so you're going to right click, and then close and load. Click on close and load. So if you click on close and load, this data is going to be loaded to your data model, and you can use the data now for modeling. So from there, you can see that the student loan complaints contains around 2125 rows. Credit card complaints is 7360 rows, but all complaints is containing the sum of rows in student loan complaints and credit card complaints.